Another participant says, my K-1 fiance visa application is still pending. It's been 9 months. Why is it taking so long? Oh my gosh, because the government's crazy and also the world is on fire. In case you guys didn't notice, it's been a rough year. I know it's killing everybody. The fiance visa timeframes have been super rough. You know, I remember, I don't want to sound like a super old timer, but I remember a time it was about 6 or 7 years ago now when fiance visas literally took me like 2.5 months or 3 months to get a fiance into the US. And those days are so gone and it really breaks my heart. It used to be a lot faster. So we are seeing pretty long wait times right now. Even before the pandemic, we were seeing wait times, and these are, cases that a lawyer is handling. So you're not really making errors or having any tangents or things that sometimes people have when they're doing their case on their own. Just a very direct approach. It was taking us 8 or 9 months in a lot of cases, depending on the country, but that was pretty much as fast as we were ever getting people in before the pandemic. Now, yes, I know, because the final step in the process involves an interview at the embassy, because the embassies have been closed for about 6 months, and they've started to reopen. Some of them aren't fully reopened for all case types. There's still some embassies that are not doing fiance visa interviews, even though they theoretically should be. We were hearing reports still that people are still being told that in some locations. Basically, they're going to have to get through the backlog of other interviews that they have and all of their expedited cases of people who are about to age out and things like that before they get to you. You didn't mention in the question if you were planning on like where you're at in the process, like if you're still in the petition phase or if you're just waiting on an embassy interview. But yeah, it's just taking a long time because the government is not very efficient right now, and it's sort of unfortunately intentional on some levels, and plus the pandemic made it more chaotic. So if you're in line, have patience and also check up on your case. And there's really not a lot other that we can do to extend or to make it go faster right now. I know it's just frustrating. So it sounds pretty normal just from what you've said. Unfortunately, dysfunction is the norm in our immigration system. I sometimes go, why did we devote our lives to this? But but to help all of you through it, because when you do come, it's awesome, and you can kind of forget some of the pain of going through it in the moment once you're actually over here with your family.